just to be clear what question we're answering here, this is the function that the question is being answered for. F of x equals x minus 5 all over 3x plus 4. That's a rational function. So when you type a question like this on Wyzant, you should probably put parentheses around here, because that slash could be interpreted like minus 5/3 x plus 4, which is a very different problem. Okay, so over here to the right, we have the blue line, which is the blue graph, which is the graph of that function. It does have a horizontal or a vertical asymptote at x equals negative 4/3, right in here somewhere. But we're trying to find the equation of the tangent line at the point where x is 11. So you have to find out what the y-coordinate is in order to write the equation of the tangent line. And if you put 11 in for x, you get 6/37. And now you also need the slope of that tangent line, which requires you to find the first derivative, which means you're going to have to use the quotient. So here's the denominator, 3x plus 4, times the derivative of the numerator, which is a 1, minus the numerator, x minus 5, times the derivative of the denominator, which is a 3, all over the denominator squared, 3x plus 4, the quantity squared. If you simplify that numerator, you get a 19. The 3x's combined is 0. 3x minus 3x combined to 0. Okay, so this is the information you need to write the equation of that red tangent line. We have to find f prime of 11, which I've kind of done over here. G of x, h of x, and q of x are all different forms for the derivative of that original function f of x. Here I wrote what was on the previous board, and here's the simplified version. If I find g of 11, I get 19 over 1369. And that 1369, by the way, is divisible by 37. It's 37 squared, actually. If you put 11 there, 33 plus 4 is 37. So how do you write the equation of the tangent line given the slope and a point? And the point is the point 11, comma 6/37. Well, you start by using point slope. So y minus 6/37, that's y minus y sub 1, equals the slope, 19 over 1369, times the quantity x minus x sub 1. That's this number right here. And you could change the form of that. If you wanted to, you could clear the equation of fractions, which I did by multiplying every term by 1369. And then I put it in standard form. You could also simply remove these parentheses, then add 6/37 to both sides, and you would have slope-intercept form. So there you go. Hope that helped. And if you have any questions, post a comment. I will include the link to the Desmos graph in the answer. There you go.